Happy Saturday morning, traders. A good day to be happy. We have right here the triple Qs. We were going to put the 495 puts on. We haven't put them on yet. The Qs have a tremendous bull rally. The top is right up here. We wanted to test right below 500 before going short the triple Qs, but we are looking at it. It's on our watch list. You can sign up for, if you think the Qs are going to drop, then get on the buy now, pay later program and bet on them going down. All you have to do is call me and we'll go over it. The content is all there on the website. We're looking at that resistance before we get short on the Qs. We mentioned that we were looking at the 495s. We haven't taken them yet, but we will look at them on Monday morning. We're looking at that top end resistance, and I would pay attention. I would really pay attention. This bull has been ferocious, and the bull could break above that resistance. We did that back in 21. Same time frame, same October time frame. When October, be aware, can be heavy volatility. Netflix saved the day Friday, but as the earnings season gets going, the triple Q short looks that much more attractive. We have people that want to short it, and that's why I'm doing the chart right now for them. And then they can review it, and they know what time it is. If we break above resistance, that would be the bull continuation move higher. Yes, pay attention to the video. Watch our other services. The one you want to watch is buy now, pay later. You don't have money, you're not invested, you don't have a bank account, you don't have a stock account, that program fits you. Tailor made.